These videos were generated with Seedance 2.0. Right now, Seedance 2.0 is one of the best AI video models available. The results are incredibly realistic, the motion is smooth, and it can even create shots like this. The problem is, using Seedance 2.0 can get expensive fast. Most platforms either charge heavily or limit how many videos you can generate. But I found a way to use real Seedance 2.0 on desktop and mobile for free. And later, I'll show you the Google method that lets you keep generating without limits. Let's get started. The platform we are using is called Dola. This is not a Seedance alternative. We're actually using Seedance 2.0 directly through Dola, and it works on both desktop and mobile. Open Dola and sign in using any of these options. The fastest option is Google. Once you are inside, you will see a standard AI chat interface. No subscription page or payment screen. It's completely free, but the real feature is inside the video tool. For this tutorial, I'm using the desktop version because it's easier to follow. If you're on mobile, don't worry. I'll show you the mobile version right after the Google method. Open a new chat, and at the bottom, click Create Video. The interface will change, and you'll immediately see that the selected model is Seedance 2.0. You can generate either 5-second or 10-second videos. Choose your aspect ratio, then enter your prompt, and click Generate. Dola will confirm that it's generating the video using Seedance 2.0. You will also notice that video generation uses points, and we only have 5 available today. At first, that sounds like a huge limitation, but don't worry. In a minute, I'll show you a Google method that basically removes this limitation. Generation usually takes around a minute, and here's the result. Pay attention to the movement here. The camera motion stays surprisingly stable, and the lighting remains consistent between frames. What's interesting is that Seedance can generate matching audio along with the video. Many free AI video generators only create the visuals, so having synchronized environmental audio generated automatically actually saves a huge amount of editing time. Here's another example. But here's where most people stop. They generate directly from text, get an average result, and assume that's the limit of the model. But the image-first workflow changes the quality completely. Open a new chat, and instead of generating the video first, choose Create Image. Enter your image prompt and choose the aspect ratio you want. You can also choose a preset style, which helps keep all your images consistent across a project. Hit Generate, and in a few seconds, your images are ready. Once the images appear, pick your favorite and click Add as Reference. Now add your updated prompt and generate again until you get the exact image you want. When you are happy with the result, add it as the reference image and switch from Create Image to Create Video. Now enter a motion prompt describing what should happen in the scene. Choose your aspect ratio and generate. This gives you much more control over the final result. And because you're more likely to get a usable video on the first try, you waste fewer generations. So if you plan on testing multiple prompts and variations, a better workflow is to create your images first using tools like Nano Banana or Leonardo AI. Even though Dola can already generate impressive images, we can push it further using external tools, which gives you more control. Then bring those images into Dola and use Seedance only for the animation. That way, you're using your generations for animation instead of repeatedly regenerating images, which becomes important because of the next limitation. Every video generation uses points. You will see the remaining points decrease after each generation. For casual use, that's fine. But if you're generating multiple versions to get the perfect result, you'll run out quickly. Normally, you'd have to wait for your points to reset. But remember the workaround I mentioned earlier? This is where it becomes useful. Open Google Skills and click Join to sign in with your Google account. Click Join again. A form will appear. Fill in the required details. You can enter anything here. Then click Join. Next, click Catalog and search for design prompts in Agent Platform. Click Search. Select the result with the same name, and then click Start. A new window will open. Click Start again and verify you're human. Then click Launch with 1 credit. But before we finish the workaround, here's how to use Dola on mobile. In a new chat, instead of clicking Create Video, tap AI Creation. Then in this menu, choose Video. And in the Model section, select Seedance 2.0. Choose your aspect ratio and duration. Enter your prompt and generate. This is the result. Now open a new incognito window in your browser. Go back to Dola and choose Sign in with Google. Copy this and paste it in the email field. Then copy the next value and paste it into the password field. And just like that, you're back inside Dola with fresh generations available again. So instead of waiting for the next day or running out of points, you can immediately continue creating videos with Seedance 2.0 for free. By combining image generation, image to video animation, and the refresh method, you're not just using Seedance anymore. You're building a complete AI video workflow. And considering the quality this produces right now, it honestly feels kind of ridiculous that this workflow is still free. If I find a better method in the future, I'll test it and share it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.